Telamon Corporation's goal is to simplify business by increasing efficiency and streamlining operations for our customers. Established in 1985, we specialize in solutions for telecommunication networks, including both wireline and wireless, as well as solutions for industrial assembly, focusing on wire harness manufacturing and kitting and assembly. Based in Carmel, Indiana, we operate in 13 locations, 11 domestic and 2 international. Telamon, the Greek word for support, is the largest private minority-owned company headquartered in Indiana. We continuously exceed customer standards and expectations in both quality and delivery, and have been recognized globally through numerous awards and certifications. Telecom Solutions. Telemon's Telecom Solutions division delivers everything from supply chain services to high-quality engineering, installation, integration, and logistics and supply chain services to customers in many market areas. We service wireless providers, encompassing everything from macro site to small cell to DAS systems. We even handle items dedicated to site acquisition, architecture, and engineering. Wireline providers, data center users, original equipment manufacturers, and enterprise organizations. We simplify telecom solutions in virtually any environment. Industrial Solutions. Telemon's Industrial Solutions business unit encompasses 2 major areas of emphasis with a common goal of providing the most responsive and effective solutions to address the needs of our customers. Driven by the highest quality standards in the automotive safety industry, Telemon's wire harness business enables connectivity for today and tomorrow's next-generation vehicle mobility solutions. Telemon's kitting and assembly business removes roadblocks and improves efficiency for our customers with the delivery of high-quality industrial assemblies and part kits. Telemon's Industrial Solutions mission is to provide exceptionally high-quality and responsive solutions to enable our customers' continued success. Telamon Corporation, simplifying business. Please contact us today to discuss how we can help your company.